Welcome back, everybody. Today we are getting ready to take the first voyage in the Bonneville in a long time, 30 plus years. The list is complete, so I don't know. It's got me it's got me with a little bit of jitters, but we're going to double check the last few things and we're going to take it for a drive. So if you caught on that list, the brakes are bled, it's back on the ground. Nothing to do but start it up and take it for a drive. I guess before we get too far, I do want to take a moment to roll through some of the stuff that's been, wrapped up since the last update. So I think in the last video we dialed in the idle, we got it running pretty well. And since then, we've topped off all the fluids, reassembled the front clip, which is what I'm showing here. Grill on, bumper on, headlights hooked back up. And just getting all of the underhood stuff put back together. The brakes were bled. I didn't video that because, nobody wants to see that. But buy a power bleeder if you don't have one, worth the money. Brakes are bled out, pretty much drama free. So yeah, nothing left to do. Alright, so I got the camera set up outside and car's back down on the ground from the wood cribs. But going through the very last of the items on my list, torquing the lug nuts on the big 8 pattern, and then checking tire pressure and little things like that. I do have the car kind of cocked in the garage at an angle, and that was to make sure that I had enough room for the engine hoist in front. Now that we're done with all of that activity, I can just pull it in and out normally. So in a moment, I'm going to take my floor jack for a walk. And we'll get this guy jacked up, skated, just to bump the rear end over and line it up with the doorway. I probably could have wiggled it around, but honestly, for the couple minutes it took, this was fine. So as I was doing this, I was kind of going through my mental list of, is there anything else that needs to be looked at or checked? Just time to bite the bullet and see what happens. So let's fire it up and roll it out of the garage. And that was it. That was the first movement under its own power. Pretty awesome. my lovely wife was volunteered to take a couple videos of me, which was really fun. Super short confidence drive, just going down to the end of the gravel road and back, braking, shifting, that sort of thing, and feeling really good. This is really exciting. So I don't want to undersell it. I'm extremely happy with the amount of progress that's been made. Running, driving, stopping. We got some more work to do, certainly. But huge milestone has been crossed, and I'm very excited about it. So why don't I take you with me and come over here. We're gonna cross some stuff off the list. Well, that's really satisfying, but we do have to put a few more things back on the list for next time. I won't bore you with the whole list, but it basically comes down to this. So, what do we have left? We'll fill out a few things. So, if you enjoyed this video, come back for the next one. We're gonna get this guy wrapped up, and then we got a couple behind the curtain to get started on. So, thanks for coming along.